Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint in food. First, let's talk about the basics. Mint is a versatile herb that brings a bright, cool, and slightly sweet flavor to your cooking. When selecting mint, look for crisp, green leaves that are free from any wilting or dark spots. Before adding it to your dishes, always give it a gentle rinse under cool water. You can then chop, tear, or even muddle the leaves to release their aromatic oils and infuse your food with its delightful essence. Mint isn't just for sweet treats. It shines in savory dishes too. It's a classic companion for lamb, offering a refreshing counterpoint to rich meats. Try adding chopped mint to a simple green salad or a hearty grain salad for an unexpected burst of freshness. It also complements vegetables beautifully, especially peas and new potatoes. Consider infusing mint into a yogurt-based sauce or a marinade for chicken or fish to elevate your meal with its unique herbaceous notes. Now, let's explore mint's sweet side and its role in beverages. Mint is a fantastic addition to fruit salads, bringing a cool contrast to berries and melons. It can also elevate desserts like chocolate mousse, ice cream, or a light sorbet. For drinks, mint is indispensable. Muddle about 5 to 7 leaves for a classic mojito, or steep it in hot water for a soothing tea. It also adds a delightful zing to homemade lemonades and iced teas, making them incredibly refreshing. To get the most out of your mint, here are a few final tips. For maximum freshness and flavor, add fresh mint leaves towards the very end of your cooking process. To keep your mint fresh for up to 7 days, store it upright in a glass of water in your refrigerator, loosely covered. Remember that 1/4 cup of fresh mint is roughly equivalent to 1 teaspoon of dried mint. Don't be afraid to experiment with varieties like spearmint or peppermint to discover new flavor dimensions in your dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.